Hello, Tony. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, you're fine. That's good to hear. You are fine. Okay. So today we are going to have this lesson. Let me show you the screen. So we can now start with it. Okay. Here we go. Tony, can you see my screen?
Yes,
Okay. What is Unit 19 all about?
it's about what's the matter?
All right, it's all about what's the matter. Now here, let's have vocabulary words. Okay, what are the given words?
Hurt,
Hurt. What else?
courage,
Okay, we have the earth, not rage, but it's earache.
earache,
Okay, we have the earache. Next. Oh, sorry. Next, Tony, what's this?
I don't know.
It's temperature. Again.
Temperature,
All right, so here, if you are having a fever, you have a high temperature, okay? How about the other words, Tony? Do you understand the other words?
yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. Next, Tony, what are the next words? We have
Oh,
cough, again. Oh, you have cough.
yes.
Okay, cough. What else?
Stomach,
Okay, not so much, it's stomach.
stomach,
Okay, next word we have is
toothache,
toothache. Very good. So we have here cough, stomach, toothache. Tony, do you understand these words?
yes.
Okay, very good. This one, Tony, what's this? First word,
Headache,
headache. You know what's headache?
yes.
Okay. Next is, what's it?
Cold,
All right, cold. You know what's cold?
yes.
And the next one is,
Dentist,
okay, you know what's dentist?
yes.
All right, that's good to hear. You know these words. Okay, Tony, I have here three sentences. These three sentences have missing letters. What I want you to do, Tony, is to complete the sentences using letters E, I, O, U. Okay? You can choose what letter is missing from these four letters. E, I, O, U, to complete sentence 1, 2, and 3. Do you understand what to do?
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, Tony?
is this blank right?
Yeah.
A and S?
Which one?
This blank.
Oh, can you encircle? I cannot see. Yeah. It's blank.
This.
Yeah, it's blank. Come on, write the missing letters.
Can I write A and S in this blank?
Only one. One letter each line. Okay, one letter each.
Okay.
Okay, how about the answer for the question?
I've got a stomach.
Come on, there are missing letters. Oh, they're not yet done. Oh, you complete all, Tony.
Teacher.
Yes, Tony.
Mm,
They're still missing in numbers 2 and 3. They're not yet done.
can you can you speak this word?
What word, Tony?
This word. This.
Where? In circle. Show me.
Wait.
What? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
This hair.
I cannot see. Oh, that word? Oh, you write first what are the missing letters so you can read the word. You cannot read the word if there are missing letters. Okay, try.
I don't know.
Okay, if you don't know the number 1, how about number 2 and 3? There are still missing letters.
I don't know. I don't know 2 and 3.
Oh, you don't know 2 and 3? Okay, so wait. Tony, how about just read numbers 1 to 3? Go, read. Excluding the other words. Go, please read.
1, I've got a stomach because I ate of chips at school today.
Next.
We walked yesterday and now both my foot hurt when my cousin and I were skateboards last week. I hurt my leg.
Next. When? Number 3. Oh, furniture. Okay, okay.
Number 3.
How about the missing word, Tony? There's still a missing word, number 3. I hurt my blank.
Know.
You don't know too? Oh. All right. So here, Tony, let's check
It's
now your...
dangerous.
Oh. Okay, so here, ready to check? Let's check now. Number 1, I got a stomach ache because I ate. Look at the missing word letters in the next word, Tony. It's hundreds. U and P are the missing letters. Next, of chips at school today. Next, number 2, we walked a lot. Oh, you forget the letter O. Yesterday and now, both my foot hurt. Oh, not foot, but feet hurt. Why it's feet, Tony? Because of the word both. It means it's more than one. Okay? Next, number 3. When my cousin and I, were on our skateboards last week, I hurt my hand, foot, leg, or arm. That's the correct answer, Tony. Oh, you have to be careful. Okay? Careful, please. All right, let's move on. Now, Tony, I have here this one. I have sentence 1 to 8, and you're going to find answer from these given pictures. For example, Tony, look at here. Example. This woman hurt her arm this morning. So when you try to look at the picture, try to find the woman who hurt his arm this morning. The answer there, it is in number 4, letter C. That's why, Tony, we write 4C. Okay? That's how to answer it. Do you understand what to do? Tony, you understand what to do?
Yes.
Okay, now please write the answer in numbers 2 to 8. Go.
The boy was outside in the rain yesterday. Now, saying hey, this boy needs to see. This boy needs to see a dentist. He's bad today. Hey, energy to finish. Back. Repeat. Repeat. After a glass of water. This is on the curve. For milkshake. On.
Okay, so since you are done answering, Tony, I want you to read number 2 and tell me your score. Read properly. I will listen.
Number 2, 1B.
No, you read the
3.
sentence first. This boy. Go.
This boy
Come on, read
was
properly.
this boy was outside in the wind yesterday.
Properly, Tony. I said properly. Again. This boy was outside in the wind yesterday. Like that. Go. Read properly. This boy.
Was outside in the wind yesterday. Now he's got earache.
Earache. Again. Ear.
Earache.
Correct. What's the answer?
1B.
Okay, number 3. Read 3.
Oh dear, that woman hurt her hand. Now she can't play basketball. 4A. 4. That man looks sick and he's got a temporary
Again, temperature.
temperature.
The answer.
3C.
5.
This boy needs to see dentist. She's got a very bad toothache.
Toothache. What's your answer?
1A.
6. Go.
That farmer
Tried.
tried to fix his tractor. Now his back hurts.
What's the answer?
3B.
Next. 7.
Give that girl a glass of water, please. She's got a
How do you read that word? Go.
She's got a cold.
Oh, it's cough. Again.
Cough.
Oh, do you know what is cough?
Yes.
Good. Okay, next, number 8.
Oh, 2B.
Oh, 2B. 8.
That man had 4 milkshakes. Now he's got a stomach.
Stomach. How do you read the word?
3A.
Oh, what is that? What's the last word, number 8? Stomach? Is it only stomach?
Stomach.
It's stomach ache.
Stomach.
No, stomach ache.
Stomach.
Not stomach. Stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
Very good. Again, one more time. Stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
Okay, stomach ache. Your answer is number 3A. Okay, let's check. Number 2. This boy was outside in the wind yesterday. Now he's got earache. The answer number 2, Tony, is very good. 1D. Number 3. Oh dear, that woman hurt her hand. Now she can't play basketball. Number 3 is 4A. Correct again. Very good. Number 4. That man looks sick and he's got a temperature. And number 4 is 3C. Number 5. This boy needs to see a dentist. He's got a very bad toothache. It's 1A. Good. 6. That farmer tried to fix his tractor. Now his back hurts. Which one is the answer? It's number 3B. Correct? Again, good job. Number 7. Give that girl a glass of water, please. She's got a cup. And that is 2B. Correct. Number 8. That man had 4 milkshakes. Now he's got a stomach ache. Oh, perfect. Very good, Tony. Numbers 2 to 8 are all correct answers. Great work. Okay. So, Tony, to start with our next activity, I want you to enter again because my Zoom is about to close any minute from now. Okay. Just come back because I will be off for just 3 seconds. I'll come back.